I want to show you one of my favorite things to do on the Baby Lock Serger. I'm going to start by replacing our lower looper thread with Charlotte's Fusible thread. We're going to start with our binding, and we want to create an end that we can tuck the end in. We're going to fold this top corner over, and I'm going to serge this down and go probably about 2 inches past that. Once we get there, just serge off the end. And now we're just going to fold over our binding, put it back in there, go down about 1 inch, and then we're able to serge all of our binding around the quilt. Now all I would do is take this over to an iron. On the front of the quilt, I have the Fusible thread, and I'm just gonna take this over and press it down. And I'm gonna line it up right with the edge of that, give it a good press. And then once that's all pressed in place, I'm just gonna go over to my sewing machine, or you could do a chain stitch on your serger, and you're gonna sew it down so it's a permanent bond on that. And that's how you use Fusible thread to attach your binding on the serger.